and welcome back to KD's Business Tips. Michael Lapete here in a short video series on how to prepare for tax season throughout the year is our focus, and this is part 2. This section is to stay updated on tax laws because they're always changing. Once a year, every year, if not twice a year sometimes, there's tax laws that are changing, plus sometimes more depending on the government, depending on the situation, and then they get confused. So make sure you kind of have some major way, an accountant or someone that stays on top of tax changes, or stay on top of them yourself, or you could even subscribe to a newsletter. Also, regularly reconcile accounts. Reconcile your financial accounts monthly to ensure that things are accurate on a monthly basis. Go through and match up. My bank matches my bank. My accounts receivable matches. I got a loan. It matches the statement. Make sure everything matches on a monthly basis, particularly on the balance sheet, and review your stuff monthly, even your income statement. And also resolve any discrepancies immediately. Don't wait to resolve any issues in your bookkeeping or accounting or your accounts or anything like that. Resolve them quickly. The 8th section is to categorize expenses correctly, so make sure if you're not sure where to categorize something, I always say call it what it is. What is it? Call it that. That's okay, because when the accountant gets it, he has to summarize it, or he or she has to summarize it anyway into the government forms. So call it what it is and make it as specific as possible so you're not questioning miscellaneous or general. Don't put those kind of categories. Categorize them properly. Use standard accounting, travel, office supplies, bank charges, things like that, utilities, etc. Also keep track of deadlines. Number 9, how to know the important tax deadlines. Well, we have them for you, or they're available simply on the internet too as well. And that includes any quarterly installments you have to make and your annual filing dates. Very important. And set reminders so you don't miss the due date. Number 10, review your records before tax season. Conduct a year-end review of your financial records to verify accuracy. So when your year-end passes, doesn't matter what your year-end is, as soon as it passes, that's when you do the review before it goes to the accountant for the year-end and so forth. Check for missing receipts, invoice transactions, check for anything missing, check for problems, ask questions, that's fine. And the last one is to work with the tax professional, engage your accountant or tax advisor early in the year, and then that way you can plan with them throughout the year, at least talk to them at least once so you can have a bit of a plan and understanding where you're headed, what your income might look like, and so forth, especially as a business owner, and use their expertise to tax plan around what you have. So if you're getting income from your company, you're withdrawing it, is it shareholder loan, is it dividend, is it wages, what type of income, what type of deductions do you have, what type of credits, because that'll also affect, do you want to pay CPP, do you want to contribute to RSPs? All these things are factors, okay? So by staying organized and proactive through the year, you can approach tax season confidently and minimize the last-minute rush and hopefully minimize your taxes. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for being a part of our Business Tips, and we'll look forward to seeing you in the next video.